Howdy y'all, me again. In a rare fishing movie. I'm here, what is it, Tuesday, September 2nd, 5:30 a.m. And I'm here at this lake in the woods in southern New Jersey. It's getting a little bit colder out, so I think the crappie should be on a pattern that I kind of know from last year and the year before, so we'll see. It'll be a good day. Kind of windy though, it's kind of windy. Oh, there we go. Yeah. There we go. Nice. What's up there, buddy? I'm sorry to trick you. I can't feel my feet. It's cold. That sun can't come up fast enough, boy. Oh, so I'm just over here in this little patch of sun that's out of the wind for a minute until the sun comes up a bit more. And there's a persimmon tree. South Jersey, it's in fruit. I don't know that they fruit every year, because I've been here. Been here quite a bit, and in the past, and I've looked for it every year, and maybe I'm just brain damaged and I didn't see it. I don't think it's got fruit in it all every year. Oh, they're not terribly ripe. That one's almost ripe. This one looks like a tomato. I gathered some of these, 2017, 2018, I made wine out of them. Yeah. Quite a few osprey here at this lake. I'm watching them all day with that circular backwards wing movement. I mean, it is just to hover in one spot. It is just awesome. Truly, I don't know if it was an osprey because there's gizzard shad in here, and a full-grown gizzard shad. I mean, the thing was like this big, and he had it in its talons. I don't know that an osprey would be able to carry something that big. Thought it was an osprey, but maybe not. It was pretty far away. I did see the fish clear in his talons. Biggin. Real biggin. Yeah, this is an effort and futility fishing here today, though. Good heavens. Shot right down. I don't know how much longer I pound my head against the wall, but, you know. So, the sumac that I harvested is going to be drunk tonight with Dylan and Ariane, and Jigs are coming over. Gonna have a gut bucket gourmet meal as we have for the last, I think, 5 weeks running. Yeah, every Tuesday night. So, enough of this. Yay.